This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
Alright, hello again guys. We're going to answer another question here. How to add a plugin to WordPress. So first thing we want to do is log into WordPress. So enter in your info there, log in, get to your dashboard here. And you're going to want to go to plugins and just click right on plugins there. And we're going to go add new right here, the button. And let's just search for an easy one here. I'm going to add Yoast, the Yoast Seo Plugin. And actually, you don't even have to press enter for some of them. They're just going to pop up because WordPress has the auto return search results. And before you install, you're going to want to check if it's compatible right here. And we see that it is with the green check mark. Check the last updated. Make sure it's been updated within the last, I'd say 6 months is probably good. A lot of these are user generated, where it's not even a person getting paid. It's just someone doing this as a hobby. So it's not going to be updated as much as, say, something like Google Chrome, where they have weekly or bi-weekly updates. We see, so Yoast is a reputable one. It's got 5+ million active installations. It has 26,000 reviews, which is, that's probably more than most any plugin you're going to see. So those are just some of the things you want to check before you add a plugin. Some of these are maybe malicious, but as we can tell, the Yoast one is reputable. It has great reviews, 5 stars here, and it's compatible, most importantly, and it's been updated recently. So we're going to go ahead and install. We click the button here, and some of these will take longer than others. We'll see how long this one takes. Some of these may take a minute or two, maybe longer. It's always best just to let it go. If it takes longer than 10 minutes, you may want to refresh. Actually, we see this one installed now, so that took probably about 30 seconds. Then you're going to want to press activate. That's going to activate the plugin. And you will see here it is installed. If you want to deactivate a plugin, you can deactivate it here. We just installed this one and activated it. So we'll go to settings here. Some plugins don't actually have settings, but Yoast does. This is a SEO plugin. It makes things like adding Google Search Console, Google Analytics easier. It makes changing your meta tags a lot easier, but that's beside the point. But yeah, that's how you install a plugin. If you want to uninstall it, all you would do is hit deactivate, as so, like I just did. And if you go delete, that will remove it. That'll basically uninstall it. And that is how you install a plugin on WordPress. Thanks, guys.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.